Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Traffic Stop Turns Violent After Couple Refuses to Stop for Police.
Get out of the way!
Get involved!
What the fuck is he doing? Get on the ground! No!
On October 15th, officers attempted a traffic stop on a tow truck with suspended plates. The driver flees, leading police back home, where him and his wife are both forcefully arrested after refusing to comply with police.
Damn, he's just blowing through stop signs.
We're going to be at 93rd Street and 82nd Ave with the white pickup.
Hey, stop, Mo!
20 in a second. 10-4, the 17 or the
Ain't no way he trying to get away in that big ass truck.
Southbound on 82nd Avenue from 93rd Street. Eastbound now on 94th Street. He is now going south on 81st Court. Now southbound 81st Court. He might bail, I think that's where he lives right ahead.
Mo. Get it. Back up. Back up. Stop it. Get out of the way.
Get involved.
Oh yeah.
Don't touch me.
What the hell women be thinking sometimes, man? Do you not see the Get 'Em Together crew out there? These are not the regular cops. They about to get your husband together, okay? They watch. They gonna get them together. You like, okay.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car, Mo. Get it. Back up. Back up. Stop it. Get out of the way.
Get involved. You're not gonna get involved.
Don't touch me.
Huh? Get you together.
Get out of the car.
Don't point a gun at him. Do not point a gun at him.
Oh yeah.
Get on the ground.
Oh yeah.
I have my grandkids inside.
That's fine. You're in the way right now.
No problem.
You get her for interfering too.
On the ground. Cameras are outside the road.
Get your ass together, boy.
On the ground.
No, what are you doing to my husband? Stop.
Stop.
Don't touch me. I didn't touch you.
I'm gonna throw you to the ground if you don't stop right now.
Throw her to the ground. Get her together. There we go. These ain't the regular cops.
Give us the air.
Thought this was.
I'm touching you. Stop.
Hands behind your back.
I'm
Hands
not
behind your back.
touching you. I'm not touching you.
I got it.
Now I see why y'all together.
3931, you have any update?
Both crazy.
10 Hickory, we got 2 detained.
Good. I'm gonna throw her in my car. Get up.
You have to get up. Yogi. Can I tell them to call their parents so I don't leave them unattended?
In a second. They're not attended. We're all here. Sit in.
Look what you're doing to my husband.
Sit inside.
Don't cry. You see where her priorities lie. Instead of staying with the kids, she gonna go out there and get involved. And now she's talking about, well, can I call somebody to get they're unattended. Oh, okay. Okay. We see where your priorities lie. Get your ass together, man.
Are you okay back there?
No.
Well, I know you're not happy, but are you okay? Do you need medical attention?
No.
Okay.
He was gonna, but he did it.
So you understand wherever someone would see that and take it and choke?
No, he didn't put his hands around my neck.
How do you take a chain?
The chain was at the bottom, and he touched it, and then I said stop. Like my shirt, at the bottom of my neck, I can't point to it, where the Nike thing is, right there.
Right, it's around your neck.
Yeah, but he didn't snatch it or chug, he did not touch me.
Taking it off.
Right, but he grabbed it, he didn't.
The way I would take it off if he was reaching behind you and trying to clasp you, right?
Yes, but he didn't pull it, he didn't try to take it off, he grabbed the charm, he said I should take this, and then I said no, and he left me. I found him talking to a bitch on his phone. I told him, go back to Ohio where he's at. My name's Jonas.
Wait, what? What she said? He was talking to a big. Oh, that boy. Oh, that boy getting crazy. Oh, hold up.
Go
Wait.
back to Ohio where he's at. My name's Jonas. I am.
Shit, fuck it. I'm sorry you feel that way. Next time, don't run from the police. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did.
27 years. Yes. Maryland. I was Googling this shit. It's ABDELRAA.
I mean, unless you want Brian.
Come on. Walk to the back of the spot. She's got some joints allegedly.
All right, we'll just walk back here.
Last of Avondale Ramen. And boy, Lincoln.
Where are they at? I'm sorry, in the front pocket? Okay, do you have any weapons or anything? Or just up in there so no one can see? Okay. In the container?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I was gonna go outside and smoke and then all this happened, so.
This not even opened yet.
What is that, weed?
Yeah.
Don't worry about that.
Okay.
That's the only thing I do.
Where do you, I'm going to put that somewhere. Where do you want it?
In my pocket?
Well, I don't know exactly what's going on.
He said we're just going to long form her? I don't...
Her?
Yeah.
For? Because she got in the middle. Yeah, so you're under arrest for getting in the middle of all
Well,
that.
can
you can't do that.
I have a 1-year-old and 2-year-old grandkids
I know,
here.
but
Anyone-
the older
That's
boy
my 14-year-old. He's the only one here.
Is he
Can I call their parents? He does not know how to change diapers or anything.
We'll work through that. Have a seat.
Here, go ahead. Yeah, we'll work on it.
Where's your phone at right now?
It's in the house because I seen the police and I just ran out. I didn't
Wait,
know.
let me see that one.
I don't have
Okay,
anything
okay.
else.
All right, John-
Yep, we see where her priorities is at. Not thinking, getting in the middle of something that you don't even know what's going on. You don't even know what's going on. Running out, got weed on you and everything. You're a train wreck. Train wreck, man. Train wreck. Now they pat you down, got you caught up. Oh, what you got on you? Oh, well, I was just gonna go out and smoke. Well, you should have mind your business, man. Mind your business. Found out what happened after. You want to get involved? Okay. Get you together too.
John, do you want me to hold off?
Don't cry. Don't cry.
Jennifer is clear.
You wasn't crying when you was interfering.
Active void, active field.
Oh, boy. How close is this? Hey, Sarge. You see the window? Oh. All right. Where'd he go?
Let him know.
10?
Let me let him know.
Where'd he go?
At least. You know what I'm saying? Because he's not going to talk to him. I told him to shut the fucking door. He's going to be cussing his ass out.
Where did 10 go?
Huh?
Where did 910 go? Oh, he's in the car? Oh, okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Looks like your son's being pulled. I think he's
John's calling family to come take care of the younger kids because there's a 14-year-old here.
I've never met you, which is usually a good thing. If we've never seen you before, then it's usually a good thing.
I've never been a domestic.
It sounds like there's an explanation that could have just been had almost window to window.
Hey, you
almost
guys,
window to window.
No, you guys came 3 strong on me. You fucking bullied me last time. You tricked the shit out of me. You know what it is. I forgave it and let it go until this point. You know what the fuck it is, bro. It costed me a
Is
fucking...
that the reason you didn't want to come?
Yes. Yes. Swear to God.
It's locked. Here, I got a key.
What's the other girl with you?
What other girl? There was no other girl.
Apparently 2 white girls and one was carrying a baby.
That was my son. That's not a girl. Look, he's not even wearing a shirt. We were walking from the park because he went to go fly his plane.
Were you guys coming from that way?
No, that way.
So you were coming from that way, coming up this way?
Yes.
Jennifer, step up real quick. Sounds like my lieutenant's just gonna do what they do, like a second release. You walk over.
The suspect's partner was released after receiving a charge for obstructing justice. The suspect was charged with resisting arrest, driving with a suspended license, and fleeing an officer. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like.
Bunch of dummies. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Don't give a crap about the kids. Just gonna do whatever. Nope, neglect or ooh, can't say that word because they're gonna flag this video, man. Let me get up off here, man. Let me get up off here, man, before they flag it. Now, YouTube, let me rock, man. I ain't say it fully. Let it rock. I ain't go crazy now. Okay, see, it's certain words you can't say. They go boop, 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 boop. You say that N-word, boy, they is over with. You say that N-word, boy, this kids involved? Oh yeah, it's over with. You say that, it is over, boy. But yeah, just crazy, man. I'm gonna catch you out in the next video, man, because YouTube might get me. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.